guys because I am going to be off work soon. I have a lot of like PTO to use up. So I'm gonna be off work very soon and just gonna be filming. So as I'm getting my filming schedule together, I would like your input as to what you would like to see. So I'm gonna go over, see, this happens around here. It's fine, it's just because it's bright and it's snowy and all that. But these are some of my filming ideas. Please put down below if any of the ideas you like. If you like more than one, put it down below so that I can start like making my list so that I can film. I'm very excited. I'm excited to be off, but I'm excited to be able to do some of these videos that are going to take a little bit longer. Okay, so some of these are makeup related, some of these aren't. I've been running through the ColourPop like monochromatic palettes that I have, and now that I've filmed all of them, 3 looks on a palette, I actually want to go through and like rearrange them so they're still monochromatic, but they're a little bit they have a little bit more dimension to them, and rearrange the shadows and get rid of some of the pressed glitters and such. So I was going to film that. I'm going to film my eyelash collection and how I store them and all that. I'm going to film my wig collection probably in 2 or 3 parts, so I'm going to do that. I was thinking, like, do you want to see sort of like a top 10 wigs of 2019, or maybe I'll do top 19 of 19 video for the wigs. If you would like to see that, put that down below. If there's any other video you'd like to see, sort of like a roundup video type thing, I can do that. I have a lot of videos that I want to do with regard to like full cap wigs, like how to make them look more realistic, altering wigs, cutting them, you know, all that jazz. I don't know if I have a video on flat ironing a wig, so maybe that will be a video that I'll put up as well. I'm not even sure I have a video on creating bangs. If you want to see that, a specific video on that, put that down below. I have some comparison videos that I want to film. So like for instance, Models, Alpine Meadow versus Free Trust Equals Danity. I wanted to do some comparisons. Yeah, I'm trying to think if there's other types of videos that you may want to see. I might run back through some of my older videos and see if there's some topics that either can be just like updated. Would you like to see that? If there's a video on a particular, because I used to do like this wig week where I would do a video every single week on different wig related topics, and I'm sure a lot of those can be not redone, but just updated, especially if it's like favorite wigs or whatever. So if there's any of those videos that you would like to see a more updated version on, I can do that. Yeah, so I'm trying to think of any other things that I have been wanting to do that I haven't done, and that's really, I have a list, but I'm saying those are the ones that are on the top of my head. It's like, do you want to see them? Do you not? Is there anything else that you want to see? Like, I want to create the content that you want to see. Are there any just like life car vlog topics that you want to discuss? I know someone had requested 2 sort of videos that I may do in a car vlog, or I may not. I might do in a different format. But talking about sort of being biracial and all of those, because, you know, funnily enough, it seems to be a hot topic on my channel, which I think is great, because I don't think we talk about diversity and multiculturalism and growing up being biracial. Like, you can see stuff in the media where now it's like, so everybody's so pretty when they're multicultural, but there's a lot of underlying issues when you're biracial, and if you are in my age bracket or even close to my age bracket, it wasn't always a positive thing at all. So yeah, I want to talk about that. I also, someone wanted me to talk about my alopecia journey. I have a few videos that are scattered here and there, but I think an updated video, more of a comprehensive video, would be helpful. Yeah. And yeah, what else do you want to know? This is really short because it's really just me asking you. I'm really close to 1,000 subscribers when I'm filming this. I think I'm at 925. I do plan to do some different giveaways coming up. The $1,000 mark, the 1,000 subscriber mark was a huge benchmark for me. So I'm hoping to get that by the end of the year. And yeah, so that's all I have for you today. Whatever you want to see, put down below. I will add it to my list and we will get it going. Okay, I hope that you're having a super fabulous day wherever you are. I know that the holidays for some people are wonderful, but the holidays for some people are a struggle. So know that it's okay. Whatever experience that you have, whatever feelings you're having are okay. If you get overwhelmed, even if it's a positive overwhelmed, please do not hesitate to ask for help. My motto is life is short, wear wigs, but it's also life is short. So enjoy as much of your life as you can while you have it. So I know that that seems super deep, but I know in the holidays it can be real heavy, and I don't want your holidays to be heavy. I want them to be light and bright as possible. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video.